Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about how you can harvest your mint. So let's get right into the video. So just right here I have my mint plant. I have some spearmint on this side and peppermint on the other. I keep my mint in a big pot like this just because mint's a bully, and yeah, we'll just take over a garden bed if I were to put it in my raised beds. So let me show you how you can harvest them. Here we got a lot of mint. There are a lot of really good ways for you to use mint, spearmint, and peppermint. What you'll need is a pair of scissors or shears, or like pruning nippers. And what you're gonna wanna do is, if you look at this peppermint, it kind of grows similar to like a basil and a tomato, and it's already trying to flower on me. So we don't want that. We're gonna take that right off. Now, if you look, there's these big sun leaves here and here, and in between, there's these new little mints growing in the armpits of this plant, and it happens all the way down. So what we're gonna wanna do is you're going to pick a spot where it's growing out of the armpits, and you're gonna pull it off. You can use scissors if you're pruning a bunch like this. So I'm going to time lapse this because this will take me a minute. Alrighty, so this is our mint harvest of spearmint and peppermint, and I have plans for all of this, and I can't tell you how beautiful this all smells. Even the stuff that has flowered a little bit, that's fine. That's how you harvest your mint. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.